talking about Ohm's law, when I was first going through the Master Samurai course, I hated the Ohm's law part of it. I was like, I'm never going to use this. I'm never, ever going to use this. And then I got in a situation where I needed to use it. And I was like, holy crap, this just worked. And I really made a point to learn Ohm's law. And it was like something out of the Matrix. Like when Neo starts seeing the Matrix. Like I'm dead serious. Once I really grasped what Ohm's law is, I really understood things were just clicking in my head. I understood so much more. Just the other day, I was dealing with this exact issue on a service company in one of the restaurants not using the proper replacement wire. They were using a smaller gauge and it was heating up and burning up a contactor.